Hey, this is Mark Mikelat, and the mission trip starts today. I am in LAX. We'll be in San Juan, Puerto Rico by the end of the day. We hope to get there today. We get there just about midnight, and we're working already at 7 a.m. tomorrow, and we have responsibilities every day. One of the organizations we're working with is Platos Caliente, an organization specifically tasked with taking food to those people in the most impoverished areas of Puerto Rico, and that's just one of the organizations we're helping. So continue to follow our success, and we'll do the best we can to post updates from Puerto Rico. And thanks all of you for contributing to the GoFundMe campaign. And if you have an opportunity, we still taking more contributions. And if you can't help us that way, maybe you can help us with some prayers. Say some prayers of safety for Mark, me, and Vivian. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next update. Bye-bye.